In this video, we can see a lady attempting to cross the road while carrying some belongings, unaware of how quickly a situation can change. Busy roads often create moments where pedestrians may misjudge speed or distance. Suddenly, a fast-moving car approaches, leading to a serious traffic incident. This highlights why high speed is extremely risky in crowded areas. Drivers must slow down and stay alert where pedestrian movement is expected. Pedestrians should also remain cautious and choose safe crossing moments. Road safety depends on awareness, patience, and responsible behavior from everyone. This dashcam footage shows a nighttime situation where visibility and reaction time play a critical role. The car is moving straight when it reaches an intersection, a place that always requires extra caution. Suddenly, a scooty rider emerges without enough warning, leading to a strong collision at the front of the vehicle. Intersections are high-risk zones, especially after dark, due to limited visibility. Drivers should slow down and stay prepared to stop at any moment. Two-wheeler riders must also check traffic carefully before entering the road. Following basic road discipline can greatly reduce such incidents and improve safety for everyone. This dashcam footage shows vehicles moving in their respective lanes within a congested area where space is limited. From behind, a truck attempts to overtake from the side, even though the road conditions are not safe for such a move. This decision leads to a severe collision with a car ahead. Congested roads require patience and disciplined driving rather than aggressive maneuvers. Large vehicles especially need extra care due to their size and stopping distance. Unsafe overtaking increases risk for everyone on the road. Responsible driving and respecting road conditions can help prevent such incidents. This security camera footage from inside a factory highlights the importance of awareness in shared workspaces. A lady worker is seen approaching near a doorway, an area where movement is often frequent. At the same moment, a forklift suddenly comes into the area, leading to a workplace accident. Industrial environments require clear visibility and controlled movement at all times. Forklift operators should slow down near doors and corners where people may appear unexpectedly. Workers should also stay alert around moving equipment. Proper safety protocols and communication can help create a safer workplace for everyone. This scene shows a risky overtaking attempt on a highway where control and judgment are extremely important. One car tries to overtake another but appears unable to manage speed and distance properly. As a result, it moves ahead and makes contact with a car traveling on the left side. The situation worsens when the vehicles collide again toward the side. Highways require smooth lane changes, proper signaling, and full awareness of surrounding traffic. Overtaking without enough space can quickly turn unsafe. Maintaining lane discipline and patience helps reduce such incidents. Responsible driving ensures safety for everyone on fast-moving roads.